What's up everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm going to prepare a wooden steering wheel for BMW E36. This is the steering wheel that I found in the marketplace. I've been always big fan of wooden trim, wooden steering wheel, and decided to switch from BMW M Technique to wooden sport steering wheel. This is in good condition. I cannot say a lot. There are some little chips remarks, but overall I really like the condition. I think this steering wheel is also a little smaller than the standard size, so hopefully it will look nice and it will feel better. And this is the steering wheel hub adapter. This is aftermarket and you can easily find in the in some car parts store, in car accessory stores, but unfortunately this is not the best quality. This has nothing to do, this has nothing in common with the original steering angle sensor. I cannot fit this one here, so what I've done is I had one non-working steering angle sensor, so I trimmed this and I made it to fit here. Also, the original bolts of the steering angle sensor, this one is not fitting, so I had to use other bolts. The reason that I have prepared this one is for the turn indicator. After I activate the turn indicator to the right or left, even I take the turn, it will not go off because of not having this one. I have trimmed it, I have prepared it. It was really a messy process to make this from this. This is a working one, this is a non-working, this used to be a failed one. So this is going to be like this. And also we have one more problem. Since this one is the connection string for the airbag and also for the horn, and I don't have it, I have to prepare a horn button that is going to be located either here or here. I haven't decided yet, but I will fit it like this. So I will have the horn just to have it, not that I use it often. This is a very soft plastic and there is no way almost not cracking this, and you can see that I cracked this one too, but it's okay. The most important part is this one. This is the piece of plastic that will be taking off my turn indicator when I use it, and this is the right position, the position that we have to fit, like the zero position for the steering wheel. So this central hub is ready for now. I have the sport steering wheel horn and its spacer, but since I don't have the steering angle sensor, this thing won't be functioning, but I will put them anyway to just cover up the visual remark. Otherwise it will be just an empty hole, so I will put this one too. For trimming I will use this one. I think this is a German brand. I've been using this one for like 3 years and it's really good for its price. It's been working for 3 years and I'm really happy with the result. So let's make the hole for the button with this one. Well, this is almost a perfect cut. The good part of it, this button has also the seal, which is going to help the button to fit smoothly. Yes. So let's fit this. Okay, so the cables are ready. This is the connector for the horn. The button is ready as well. I have test fitted the button. It fits okay. We have enough space to cover this button. Also the steering wheel as well. So everything is fine. This is ready. Okay, so it's the time to fit the steering wheel. This is actually something all BMW E36 owners know, according to me, because we like to change the steering wheel. There's a bolt that is 16. Let's fit the button, the top part of the steering wheel.
A few moments later.
Okay. I have to have also the plastic clips. Here is the car junk. So this is the plastic clips. Okay. I think I have lost its bolt. Yes, it's okay. So this is the position that it's gonna be for the button, and this is the part for the horn. There's the key. Okay, it works. So this is the final look. One cable goes from the other side, behind of here, from this side, and one cable is from here, so eventually it will not touch anywhere and it will last really long time. It looks stable. Let's try to fit the steering wheel now. This is before and this is the after. Let's compare them. There is a huge difference with the size. Well, maybe we have to ask ladies if size matter, but in this case I'm going to say my opinion that yes, size matter, and this one looks much better. Alright, so a few days after fitting the steering wheel, I received my Nardi button with this black trim. I think the final look with this one is much better. I really enjoy driving the car with the steering wheel. Yeah, this is the final result. Thank you for watching the video, and please hit the button subscribe to support me so I can make more videos of this BMW. Hopefully it's going to look much better in the next episode even. Stay tuned.